Samsung A34, a budget-friendly alternative to S23. Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy A34, a mid-range Android phone that offers a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of expandable storage. The phone is available in purple, silver, black, and awesome lime color options. Galaxy A34 is a large phone measuring 161.3 into 78.1 into 8.2 millimeter and weighing just under 200 grams. It has a plastic rear and frame, stereo speakers, and an IP67 water resistance rating. The phone looks much like the flagship S23, and most people will assume you have the Samsung's latest and greatest model. The phone features a 120Hz screen that offers excellent color reproduction and contrast. The black bezel around the screen is almost the same thickness on all sides, and the selfie camera sits symmetrically in the center. The phone's haptics are of high quality, making it feel like a much more premium phone. Galaxy A34 offers a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, which is less powerful than Google and Xiaomi's budget phones. The phone lags in sheer horsepower, and the overall design feels a little cheap and dated. However, the phone's battery life is good and it takes decent photos. Galaxy A34 is a great alternative to the S23 if you're on a budget and ticks a lot of boxes. It costs less than half the price of the S23 at just £349. For a lot of people, the A34 is all the phone they need. It has a great screen, long battery life, good performance, and takes perfectly decent photos. The Samsung Galaxy A34 is a mid-range Android phone that offers a lot of features for its price. It has a great screen, long battery life, and good performance. The phone's available in purple, silver, black, and awesome lime color options. If you're on a budget and looking for a phone that ticks a lot of boxes, the Galaxy A34 is a great option.